Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn how to find the cube of a number. First see the definition. In arithmetic, when a number is multiplied by itself twice, the result gives us a cube of a number. This is the general definition. Now, one cube. These forms are written in index notation. 1 cube, 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. I have expanded it according to the power 1 is here. 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 5 cube, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and so on. This is how we can find the cube. This is very easy and it is similar as we found the squares. These all terms are called perfect cubes. Now how we are going to read it? We are going to say 8 is a perfect cube of 2, 64 is a perfect cube of 4, 729 is a perfect cube of 9. Okay, so this is the way we are going to read it out, and these all are our perfect cube, and this is the way we find the cubes of any number. Now it's your task to find the cubes in your copy with this pattern. Just give the heading perfect cube. One column is for numbers, one column is for expansion, and the third one is for cubes. Okay, this will help you to learn the procedure to find the perfect cube of any number. Okay, now we are going to learn that how to find the cube root. As we already learned that squares and the opposite of a square is a square root, now we are going to learn cube. We have learned cubes, then we are going to proceed for cube root. Let's see the definition of the cube root of a number. The cube root of a number is a special number value that when used in a multiplication 3 times gives that number. Now this is the general definition. We are going to see how it works. The procedure is same as we done in the square root. Now the question is find the cube root of 8. Solution. This is the symbol for the cube root. This is the radical sign. This is the radical sign, and the number written inside is called radicand. Without having 3, this is for square root, and for the cube root the symbol we are going to put 3 over here. Now in indices the brackets are here and 1 upon 3, which we are going to study in book number 3 of this syllabus D. The proper way of writing cube root is like this. Make the radical sign and small 3 at here, but writing this type like 3 is writing as you are multiplying with it, it's very wrong. Okay, now see how to find the cube root. Cube root of 8. First we find the prime factors. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now there are 3 prime factors. Always use the prime factorization to find the square root or the cube root. Now see the radical sign. I have written under the radical sign all the prime factors. Now in the square root we take the pair of 2, and when we talk about the cube we take the pair of 3. 1 2 3, one pair is formed, 2 is out. So the cube root of 8 is 2, or we can say that 2 is the cube root of 8. Okay, let's see, find the cube root of 27. Solution. Make the radical sign. Cube root 27 is equals to, find the prime factors of 27, which are 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we have 3 prime factors and we write it under the radical sign, and 1 2 3, 3 pairs of 3 are formed, so we have taken the 1 pair out. So the cube root of 27 is 3, or we can say that 3 is the cube root of 27. Then find the cube root of 216. Now this is a big number. First write it in the mathematical form. 3 216, 3 cube root 216 is equals to cube root. Now how we find the factors? 216 is an even number, divided by 22108. Now sometimes students do what? They write 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, they skip this 0. For that purpose you can use the simple division, as you have learned in your grade 3, that 2 ones are 2, then 1 does not come in 2 times table, so we have to take the 0 step, and with writing the 0 we are having the permission to write down the 6. Now we have 16, 2 8s are 16, so 2 times 108 is 216, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 27s are 54, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Then simply write the prime factors below here. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So I have one pair out, 1 2 3, one pair out 2, and this one 3. 2 3s are 6. So cube root of 216 is 6. Okay, this was very easy, and it is same as you did for the square root. The only difference in the square root and the cube root is the square root we take the pair of 2 out, and in the cube root we take the pair of 3 out. Okay, so I hope so this video will help you to learn the cube root of any number and to find the cubes of any number. Okay,